Now let's say this part has turned blue. This part has turned blue, right? And you still do not have a rope. ठीक? You have plank and both the ballis. Now who will come and give me the idea? Let one of the girls come and give the idea now. Come on. Yeah. 44 and 21 आ जाओ. Come both of you. So identify where is your support, identify where is the stopper. हाथ लगा के मेरे को बताओ. अब ये seat तो blue हो गई. So what do we need to create? Absolutely. We can do it with the badi balli. Go and put it there. Very nice. So we will put a support. कहाँ डालनी चाहिए support? Correct. Absolutely right. छोड़ दो. So now we have a support, all right. Where is the stopper? We will need another balli to do that. Absolutely right. Perfectly good. Well done. So we have a. That is all you have to do. It is not difficult at all, isn't it? So trust yourselves. You know the ideas, but you not coming out with it. So ये support. This is what is going to block it. Now I'm going to ask you a very important question, which you should remember when we go to the ground. अगर मैं इन दोनों बल्लियों में से एक बल्ली को रस्सी के साथ रिप्लेस करना चाहूं, तो which बल्ली should I remove? What should be kept in mind? कि weight किस पे आना है? जिस पे weight आना है, उसको remove करना चाहोगे कि दूसरे को remove करना चाहोगे? Absolutely. तो weight किस पे आ रहा है? Support पे आ रहा है, बड़ी वाली पे आ रहा है. And therefore, I can replace this balli and put a rope over there. So once again, please remember, wherever the weight will come, keep that rigid, and wherever you need something to block it, that can be replaced with the rope. Any doubts in this? Clear हो गया? All right. Thank you.